Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. In this video, we're going to discuss an exciting topic that everyone is interested in: assets that make easy money. If you're looking for smart investments or passive income streams, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 10 assets that have the potential to generate a steady stream of income without requiring much effort. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. Asset number 1. Real estate rental properties. Investing in rental properties is a tried and true method for generating passive income. By purchasing residential or commercial properties, you can earn monthly rental income and even build long-term equity. With proper research and management, rental properties can provide a reliable source of cash flow. Asset number 2. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders on a regular basis. By investing in dividend stocks, you can earn a passive income stream through dividend payments. Look for companies with a history of consistent dividends and a strong financial position. Asset number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms provide an opportunity to lend money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. By becoming a lender, you can earn interest income without the need for a traditional bank. Just remember to assess the risks involved and diversify your lending portfolio. Asset number 4. Royalties from intellectual property. If you have creative talents or own intellectual property rights, such as music, books, or patents, you can earn passive income through royalties. Licensing your work or receiving royalty payments from the use of your intellectual property can be a lucrative source of ongoing income. Asset number 5. High-yield savings accounts. While not as glamorous as some other investments, high-yield savings accounts are a safe and straightforward way to earn passive income. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow over time. Asset number 6. Cryptocurrency staking. Cryptocurrency staking involves holding specific digital currencies in a compatible wallet and participating in the blockchain network's consensus process. By doing so, you can earn rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency. However, it's essential to research and understand the risks associated with this asset. Asset number 7. Rental income from storage units. Investing in storage units can be a lucrative business opportunity. By purchasing or building storage units, you can earn rental income from individuals or businesses looking for extra space. Storage units have relatively low maintenance costs and can provide a steady stream of passive income. Asset number 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting products or services on your website, blog, or social media platforms. As an affiliate marketer, you can earn passive income whenever someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link. Choose products or services that align with your audience's interests. Asset number 9. Online course creation. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to reach a wide audience and monetize your knowledge. Once the course is created, it can generate income for years to come, with minimal effort on your part. Asset number 10. Rental income from vehicles. Lastly, if you own extra vehicles, consider renting them out for passive income. Platforms like Turo and Jetaround allow you to list your vehicles for rent, providing an opportunity to earn money when you're not using them. Just make sure to account for insurance and maintenance costs. Now that we've covered the first 9 assets, let's move on to the final one on our list. Asset number 10. AirBnB rental properties. If you have a spare room, apartment, or vacation property, listing it on platforms like AirBnB can be an excellent source of passive income. With the growing popularity of vacation rentals, you can attract guests from around the world and earn money while providing them with a unique experience. And there you have it, our list of 10 assets that make easy money. Remember, while these assets have the potential for passive income, it's important to conduct thorough research and evaluate the risks associated with each investment. Diversifying your portfolio and seeking professional advice when necessary are also crucial steps to consider. Thank you for watching today's video on 10 assets that make easy money. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. As always, stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Until next time, happy investing and take care.